I want to take you to a dinner table where the menu wasn't just a choice, it was a negotiation with the state. In the communist era across Eastern Europe and the USSR, food wasn't only about hunger, it was politics, pride, quiet resistance. Some things were banned, many were rationed. Most were just gone. And still, people ate well if they were clever. Let's start with the stuff you couldn't openly get. Coffee, chocolate, cola, berioska, Intershop, Puex. For everyone else, the black market did the heavy lifting. Coffee tells the story. In the late 70s, East Germany faced a coffee crisis. Real beans were scarce, so the state sold coffee mix, chicory, pea flour. People hated it and quietly traded for the good stuff from West packages. Across the block, families roasted barley at home, chicory at home to make grain coffee. In Poland, a brand called Inca became breakfast normal. Meat was another battlefield. In Romania, quotas and austerity squeezed shelves until they were bare. So families held secret winter slaughterings, pigs butchered quietly, windows steamed up, watchful for a knock at the door, doctor's sausage, cheap bologna, tropical fruit felt mythical, bananas, oranges, once-a-year miracles, doled out at Christmas if the shipment made it. People hacked around it, a jar of zucchini simmered with sugar and pineapple essence turned into mock pineapple jam. Kids were told, this is what Hawaii tastes like. Fish filled the gaps, herring on black bread, sprats from tins, eggplant caviar, roast, mash, garlic, oil poor man's caviar that tasted like something forbidden. Real caviar, of course, often came from poachers and backroom deals. And then there were the secret suppers. A neighbor with connections would whisper fresh veal tonight, come after dark. Someone brought contraband coffee. Someone else smuggled oranges from a cousin across a border. Doors shut, curtains drawn, the table laid like a holiday. That meal wasn't just food, it was a reminder we're still us. Improvised recipes kept traditions alive. Olivier salad with whatever meat you could find. Homemade Provençal mayonnaise whisked from sunflower oil and a risky raw egg. In Poland, a no-bake cacao block, cocoa, powdered milk, crushed biscuits became a birthday cake legend. In Lithuania. In Ukraine, mushroom foraging turned into an art form, salted, pickled, dried flavor, banked for winter. Under scarcity, people cooked identity into every bite. These were the forbidden foods of the communist era, remembered at every secret table.